Meraas, Pioneering Urban Transformation in Dubai. By Dr.Pooyan Ghamari, Swiss economist. Meraas, a Dubai-based conglomerate, has significantly influenced the enhancement of urban living through its diverse and impactful developments. Known for crafting vibrant urban spaces that seamlessly integrate residential, retail, and leisure elements, Meraas has established itself as a cornerstone in Dubai's architectural and cultural landscape. This article delves into Meraas' key projects, their transformative impact on urban living, and the company's dedication to community engagement and sustainability. Vision and mission. Meraas was founded with a visionary goal: to enrich the lives of Dubai's residents and visitors by creating high-quality urban environments. The company's mission focuses on developing innovative projects that support a modern urban lifestyle, foster community engagement, and promote sustainable living. By adhering to these core principles, Meraas has successfully launched several landmark projects that have redefined urban living in Dubai. City Walk, Urban Chic and Connectivity. City Walk is a prime example of Meraas' innovative approach to urban development. This mixed-use development, situated in the heart of Dubai, blends contemporary apartments with upscale retail outlets, gourmet restaurants, and entertainment facilities. The layout emphasizes open spaces and pedestrian-friendly areas, fostering a vibrant community atmosphere. City Walk hosts a variety of attractions, including the Green Planet, an indoor tropical rainforest, and Hub Zero, an immersive gaming zone. The area regularly hosts events and festivals, making it a dynamic destination for both residents and tourists, and underscoring Meraas' commitment to creating lively urban environments. Bluewaters Island, a jewel in the Arabian Gulf. Bluewaters Island, located off the coast of Jumeirah Beach residence, is a testament to Meraas' vision of creating self-sustained urban communities. This mixed-use island features residential properties, retail spaces, hotels, and entertainment venues. The centerpiece of Bluewaters Island is Ain Dubai, the world's largest observation wheel, offering breathtaking views of the city and the Arabian Gulf. Designed to be a comprehensive community, Bluewaters Island offers a variety of amenities, including parks, fitness centers, and waterfront dining options. The island's strategic location and extensive facilities make it a prime destination for luxury living and leisure. La Mer, Coastal Elegance. La Mer, situated in the Jumeirah 1 district, is a beachfront development that merges leisure, entertainment, and residential components. This coastal destination features sandy beaches, boutique shops, cafes, and a water park, offering a perfect blend of relaxation and recreation. La Mer's design combines contemporary architecture with a laid-back coastal vibe, creating an inviting and unique atmosphere. The development is divided into 3 areas: La Mer South, La Mer North, and the Wharf, each providing distinct experiences. La Mer has become a popular spot for both locals and tourists, known for its vibrant ambience and scenic views of the Dubai skyline. Sustainability and community engagement. Meraas places a strong emphasis on sustainability and community engagement across all its projects. The company integrates eco-friendly technologies and green building practices to minimize environmental impact and promote sustainable living. Meraas also prioritizes the creation of spaces that encourage social interaction and community cohesion, ensuring that its developments enhance the overall quality of urban life. Regular events, festivals, and cultural activities are organized within Meraas developments to foster community participation and engagement. This approach not only enriches the urban experience but also helps build a strong sense of community among residents. Future vision and developments. Meraas continues to innovate and expand its portfolio with new developments that align with its vision of enhancing urban living. The company is dedicated to creating more integrated communities that offer a blend of residential, commercial, and leisure spaces, while also focusing on sustainability and smart city initiatives. Future projects by Meraas are expected to incorporate advanced technologies, smart infrastructure, and sustainable practices, ensuring that the developments are equipped to meet the evolving needs of modern urban living. By maintaining its focus on quality, innovation, and community, Meraas aims to remain at the forefront of urban development in Dubai. Conclusion: Meraas has played a pivotal role in transforming Dubai's urban landscape through its innovative and diverse developments. Projects like City Walk, Bluewaters Island, and La Mer exemplify the company's commitment to creating vibrant, integrated urban spaces that enhance the quality of life for residents and visitors. As Meraas continues to expand its portfolio and explore new opportunities, its focus on sustainability, community engagement, and innovation will drive its future success, shaping the urban fabric of Dubai for years to come.